Alright, cool. We are back for another test of the native iPhone Kynto streaming software. Essentially takes chat and overlays them on top of my camera here and makes them part of the chat. And the whole goal of this app that I built was to be able to do mobile streams, code out and about, be able to turn the phone on, and still be able to bring Kynto along with me. We made a couple of changes just right now. So I increased the video bitrate from 1.5 megabits per second to 2.5, and we also increased the audio bitrate to 128 kilobytes per second. And then one other thing we did was disable the screen from turning off, hopefully. We'll find out shortly in about a minute if that's the case. And then second to that, we made a change that was actually requested by regulars on the stream to disable ultra low latency, so we could have captions. And I'm also curious if this makes it more likely for YouTube to push these development streams, so we'll find out. Let me just validate audio's coming in. Push these development streams, so we'll find out. Just validate audio's coming in. Test. Okay, so it seems to be using the phone still. Yep, it is. Alright, we need to figure that out as well. I don't know why it's not using Bluetooth mic sources, but that's alright. Let's go ahead and just reactivate chat for a minute. I'm curious how much of a delay this adds. I'm seeing like 5 seconds at least. Let's see. Pull in Mr. Smith. Okay. It's not too bad. We also need to add a setting for mobile so it doesn't move the screen around like it does on desktop. It makes more sense there. On mobile, you kind of just want to park chat in the corner and leave it, right? Let's activate our loop there. Okay, that works. Let's see if the help screen works. It does. Yeah, so those are all the
only premium.
Where did I go? It hid me when we enabled the help screen. Why did it do that? That's kind of strange. So let's disable enable use background is off. Let's see. Uh-oh, why did it do that? Alright, we'll restart it. You should still be able to hear me as it boots up. Very strange. Okay. What did I do to trigger that? Oh, that's a help screen. When I triggered the help command, that's what did it. Let's try it one more time. Make sure that is the case. Yep, so it's setting a background. I see. Okay, we'll quickly fix that. Cool. Come on, YouTube, find a niche. Screen health looks good. I wish I had decent enough cell phone service at the house to be able to test if that works as well. We're stuck to Wi-Fi unless I literally drive like 10 miles away from the house, which sucks. We're also going to set up Nginx to restream these streams. I don't think TikTok gave me a live code yet I could use to do that. I mean, I had to use a crappy little app. Wow, we got 87 likes on the TikTok stream last night. That's pretty awesome. I didn't expect that. Holy smokes. And we had some people stick around and watch it for like 3 hours on TikTok. That's crazy. Uh-oh, I left it running when I went to bed. Let's see. He's running for 2 hours with an empty camera. That's funny, man. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna shut us down, do that work test, and we'll be back tonight. But I'm happy to see that we literally got a ton of likes on that last one. It's huge.
Artificial genre-centric network says okay. I'll be here.
Dope. With your pizza.
Haha, it's on the way.
Good man. Alright, shutting it down. Cool, the screen didn't time out, so we got that solved. We got a bunch of stuff solved. Awesome.